What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pull your opponent's shirt in EA Sports FC 26. When you are running right behind a player, press R1 and cross on PlayStation or right bumper and A on Xbox. It's not exactly a tackle, it's more like a professional foul where your player tries to stop the opponent by tugging their shirt to slow them down. Sometimes it works perfectly, other times your player might just miss, but when it connects, it looks pretty realistic. If you are chasing a player who's facing left, the same thing applies. Stay close behind and press R1 plus cross on PlayStation or RB plus A on Xbox. The key is to stay very close to the opponent and hold both buttons while you are running. That's when your player actually reaches out, grabs the shirt and slightly pulls them off balance. Again, just to remind you, it's R1 and cross for PlayStation and RB and A for Xbox. It's a sneaky little move, but when timed right, it can definitely break up a dangerous attack. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.